How to change to English dub on Crunchyroll. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to change to English dub on Crunchyroll. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So firstly you need to open or launch the Crunchyroll app on your device. Sign in or log into your account. If you haven't created one, create one. Select the Browse button or the tab at the bottom center of the screen. Once it loads, you need to select the filter icon, which is at the top right corner of the screen. On this section, locate Language and select Dubbed. Now tap Update Filters at the bottom of the screen. Now you'll be able to see all the dubbed anime on Crunchyroll. If you want to find a specific dubbed anime, tap on the search icon at top right corner of the screen and then search for that anime that you want to see. Now press enter on the keyboard and you will see all the list of the animes on this result section. So if any one of these anime is dubbed in English language, then you will see dubbed options or dubbed return, which is underneath of these sections. So in this way we can easily change to English dub on Crunchyroll. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and then subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.